Hi guys, good morning. This is Hector. Today is Friday, the 9th of November 2007. It's 10:30. Actually 35 minutes past 9 a.m. London time, and well, I got a short entry on the USD against the CHF, which is one of the two setups that I was mentioning the guys on my mailing list this morning. The other setup that I was mentioning was the GBP against the CHF, also for a short entry. Well, however, we've had the news, all right, and well, I decided to go for the safer bet, which was the USD against the Canadian dollar. All right, let me try to show you what I'm seeing on my charts. We have a nice downtrend as per the last few days, 4, 5, 6 days, clearly making lower highs, all right, and also making lower lows. Throughout the second half of Tokyo session, we've retraced back to retest the previous swing low. Actually, it's a double bottom right there. Okay, being retested, actually overshot about 15 pips, but nonetheless it's come back down. Okay, this is the double top that I'm talking about. Okay, and this being the retest, as you can see, overshot about 10-12 pips, but nonetheless, like I said, it came back down straight away. Also, we have the dynamic area of resistance right there. We have a trend line, okay, coming in place at that level. We also have, of course, as usual, I check always the Fibonacci's. We also have the 38% Fibonacci there. So a few elements of resistance coming together around the same level, okay, right above the 112.50. Sorry. Then if we zoom into the short time frames, in this case the 15-minute chart, that's the trigger chart for this setup. Well, we have a retracement trend line, which is marked in red in my screen, okay, and then up on the breakout, okay, we have a 1 bar pullback, which is signified by this green bar there, okay, and as we made just a new low about 10 minutes ago, like I say, I triggered my short entry at 112.30. I would have liked this pullback, okay, to have taken place a little bit farther up above, perhaps 10-12 pips above, farther up above. Because like I said, well, I've already lost, or price has already run about 20 pips in this breakout. Okay, I would have liked this breakout to be, you know, not so long, and perhaps a pullback, like I say, to happen right below the 112.50, and then perhaps getting my entry around here, about 10 pips higher, at a better price. But nonetheless, what can I say? You know, you don't choose when these things happen. You just gotta adapt to whichever levels the market wanna give you. Okay. All right. So like I say, entry level 112.30, stop loss level right above the round number at 112.52. First target, the round number 112.00. Which time, well, I will exit half of the lot size and move stop to break even, and then I'll let the second half of the trade run to this swing's full potential target, okay, and also around the average daily range. As usual, as you guys know, I like to keep an eye on the average daily range for a currency as far as my intraday trades targets. Okay, in this case is the 111.80. all right, so entry price once again 112.30, stop loss 112.52, first target half position out, and moving stop to break even at 112.00, just a couple of pips above the round number, and the final target 111.80. Alright guys, I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, just one quick update. I actually recorded the first part of this video 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago actually. I'm moving stop to break even since we've reached the previous low for today. right there. So stop is at break even at 1:12:30, 29 actually. I haven't taken the first half of the first portion of the trade out. I still will stretch it to the next round number at 1:12:00, but nonetheless, since it's Friday, okay, I usually wouldn't do this, but since it's Friday, and as you know guys, I'm very cautious when it comes to trading on Fridays. I'm simply moving to stop to break even in order to offset the risk of this trade. Alright, I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, Hector again. Another quick update to let you know that I've taken half of the lot size out for plus 27 pips. Seems like it's moving quite nicely in my direction. That's always nice to see. And anyway, I will let the second half of the trade run as expected to the 1:11.80. Alright? Okay folks, bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector again. One final update on this trade. I've been stopped out, as you can see, on the second half of my of this trade. I took half of the position out here for plus 27 at the round number. Then it breached through the round number, but it fell shy about 6-7 pips of my final target, and from there it's basically retraced back up to entry levels where I've exited the second portion of this trade. Well, all in all, despite having been knocked out of the trade on the second half, it's been a rather stress-free trade. Okay, the setup was rather clear. You know, with this beautiful downtrend, okay, and the overnight retracement back to resistance level, former support levels, now working as resistance. Also, we had a trend line there. Well, actually, let me draw that properly. 1 second. We had also this trend line somewhere around there, okay. And a Fibonacci level, etc., etc. So it was a good setup. And finally, well, I got my entry on the shape of a breakup pullback continuation pattern of the retracement trend line, which, as I was saying on the previous part of the video, it came a little bit, a little bit too far from the breakout level. I would have been able to, if this had happened a little bit farther up, I would have been able to squeeze, perhaps 10 more pips out of this trade. But anyway, that's, you cannot choose where the entry is going to be. I mean, where the breakup pullback continuation is going to take place. But nonetheless, plus 27 pips on half of the lot size is not too bad for a Friday. I usually don't trade on Fridays anyway. Alright guys, that's all for today. I'll be seeing you next week for new videos. Bye bye.